All right, when we're solving by taking the square root, your goal is to get the x squared part by itself. So in order to get it alone, in this case, we'd have to add 10 to both sides because we're doing the opposite. And then we'd have to divide by 5 because this means 5 times x. So the opposite of multiplication is division. Then we get x squared is equal to 25. This is by itself. Once the x squared is by itself, we take the square root. So hit the square root button, which is the button that looks like a radical. You take the square root on both sides. When you take the square root, you have to remember to say positive and negative, because if I square positive 5, I get 25, and if I square negative 5, I get 25. So I have two solutions, positive and negative 5. So for this problem, I'm going to subtract 15. When I subtract 15, I get x squared is equal to 36. And then I take the square root on both sides, and I get x is positive and negative 6. For number 18, I'm going to add 7 to both sides, and I get 3x squared is equal to 48. And then I divide both sides by 3, and I get 16. And then I take the square root on both sides, and I get x is equal to positive and negative 4.